on, everyone? It's your boy Sal here from freestockpicks.org. Wow, really great day today on ZFGN. There were a lot of guys who made a lot of money on this stock. And for those of you who went in and went out with a really good profit, congratulations to you. I want to talk a little bit about why my swing trading pattern, my swing trade system works best. To make sure you maximize your gains. You know, you got a lot of guys out here who are happy with 10 or 12%. That's fine, but I'm looking for significantly more gains than that. For those of you who have a lot of capital to work with, obviously getting out intraday makes sense for you because you're making more per share. Now, because you're able to get more shares to begin with. But for individuals who have less than $100,000 to work with, we need to make sure we get every single penny that we can, when it comes to making profit. So here we had the huge run up. Let me zoom in here. We had that huge run up a couple days ago, actually 2 days ago now. Some guys caught that. Congrats to you. But again, time those tops. If you're seeing these collapsing. And then Tim, again, teaches us this in his DVDs, penny stocking. This pattern it's all over the DVD, and you see it over and over and over and over again. So this is a pattern you definitely catch within the first, 30 minutes of the opening. You want to be a part of this and short here because you want to make sure you ride it all the way down. So, but I wasn't a part of the first day, so I was able to catch. Today I saw the huge run up pre-market. I knew it wasn't going to continue to run because, again, there was no new news besides what was offered the day before. And what people need to understand is that catalysts fail. Okay, eventually all catalysts fail because at the end of the day, whatever got people excited will eventually no longer get them as excited anymore, right? So if this is where the stock trades, guess what? It's only a matter of time till the stock gets back here. So I believe in setting it and forget it because, again, I'm not working with $1 million in capital. Some of you are. Congrats to you. But for individuals like ourselves who are working for less than $100,000, again, I want to get every single penny of this back. I want this. I want to be a part of this going down. And I know the trend is going down because I can see the trend developing here. But I want to be patient enough to wait for this to happen. Those of you guys who are taking losses on this right now, I don't understand how you're doing it. And it's because you're not patient. You don't know how to be patient. I'm going to show you why having patience makes me money. Okay? So here's what happens. So we got the huge run up today, pre-market. I was able to get in really early. I couldn't believe that this stock was actually trying to trade pre-market at $12 on information that honestly wasn't that strong to begin with. And there was a retest here at 10. It wouldn't hold because, again, the catalyst isn't strong. If we were talking about an approval for a drug, if we were talking about $1 million in sales, if we were talking about maybe a government contract or a huge investment from a Pfizer or something, sure, we can go a lot higher. But for it to even dare to retest, this is an opportunity to even short more. So again, I wasn't going to do that. I was just going to let it ride because, again, the catalyst will fail over time. And I'm going to show you why that system works for me. And it works for me because, as you can see with my previous stocks, if you haven't already added me on Facebook, go to happypennystocks.com on Facebook, add me. I put on a lot of my trades here, mostly from the website, though. That's where you're going to get my trades early, is on the website, freestockpicks.org. But on PFHS, this was a pump and dump that it was ironic that the IB actually had shares for it. But I went ahead and took that position on 12.3 at 221, waited, and it took a little bit of while, but hey, it cracked. And we traded. I actually closed this on the 15th, I believe it was a Friday, for 35.73% gain on 29 trading days. Now, there are a lot of people who can't wait that long. And the stock went against me for a few days. But again, if you know the fundamentals are on your side, trust the process. Tim Sykes has taught us that eventually the market will correct itself. Even if the stock goes against, I don't care because I'm patient and I understand that the fundamentals are on my side. Now, if we're up, $10, then of course, then there's a huge problem there. I won't let it get, there is a limit to the foolishness, but at the end of the day, I'm not afraid of a $2 or $3 or $4, going against me because I have such, I don't have $1 million on the line here. So I understand that it's going to come in my favor eventually. Just be patient. And within 29 trading days, eventually I was able to close this for a 35.73% gain. Another one is Arlog. This was a stock that I posted on my website as well. Took the position in December after Christmas, and I closed this on the 9th, which is a Friday, for a 20.64% gain. It was not huge volume on the stock, but again, the fundamentals were on my side. And if you are patient, again, this was only about a week and a half, folks. Just be a little bit patient, and you're going to get good gains on your money. RCPI. This was another stock. Again, I think I closed this the day earlier before I posted it. November 27th, same day as Arlog, I saw it. And, it traded on the 9th at 90 cents. Really excellent gain for 14%. Just 10 trading days. Okay, so it works out for me to be patient. I like being patient because I want to be able to get every single dime from my money. It's your boy Sal. Freestockpicks.org is my website. This is just the way I've been able to make Tim Sykes' trading style mine. I'm not the type of guy who could sit there and watch every tick like that. That makes me nervous. I get anxious. I make poor decisions. But if I set it and forget it and come back to it, more than likely I allow the catalyst to fail and eventually become successful by being able to allow the price action to fade and make profit over the long term. So it's your boy Sal. This is just a system that works for me. I wanted to share this with you guys. All right, take care. Bye-bye.